What is up guys, Adarsh here, and today we're gonna be talking about why I bought the gt650, and this is probably gonna be a short video, so let's get started. So a little bit of backstory. I don't know how many of you guys are gonna watch this, but anyway, so it all started when I test drove the Interceptor 650 back in January 2020, and I immediately fell in love with the engine. I mean, it was so freaking refined and smooth. I wanted that or nothing. So yeah, after that I started researching about that, like the GT, and after researching I came to know that there are few minor problems with the bike, like the fuel gauge issue, the tube tires and so on. So as far as I can tell, these problems are very small and these can be worked upon. So I thought better I get this bike and I'll work upon them after that. So did that, and it's been a month already since I bought this, and I don't regret my decision. It's a hell of a bike, and I already started working on the problems. Like, the paint is not that good on any given Royal Enfield motorcycle. So after buying the bike, I immediately installed the PPF, or the paint protection film. Now I don't know if you can see it, but I'll definitely make another video for that. And this bike has halogens all around, no LEDs, so I started working upon that too. Now I have all LED indicators and all LED backlight. I don't think I'm gonna change the headlight for now, because first, it voids the warranty. Second, I only have the Chinese option and I don't want to go with that. I mean, obviously I'll definitely make another video for the lights and so on. I'll also be making videos for a lot of stuff. So yeah, I guess this is where I should end this, and make sure you guys subscribe, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos about the GT and also about the bikes in common, like the tips and tricks. So make sure to subscribe. That was it. I hope you guys at least wear a helmet when you go out, because you really should. So bye bye, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.